Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Walton local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire long-distance movers, with us, you get the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Getting the right long-distance movers makes a pretty big difference. Our team of movers will help you relocate faster and easier. Whether you're ready to move to a new state or all the way across the country, we can help you. There are plenty of Kentucky moving companies to consider for your local move. With the right professional movers, you can make your move simple and easy. You'll save time and energy when you hire local movers. 3 Movers offers the best local moving services you will find. We streamline the process so you can get settled into your new location sooner. If a move would take you 3 days, it will only take us a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Walton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.